Even though I wake up early in the morning, you know I'm going for it. Tonight I'll be at 4. Tell me where you stay, you have to call me. I got options on the spot, I can't do it anymore. Tell me where you gonna wanna see me. And all my friends are telling me that I can bet on loyalty. The game is different overseas, but that don't mean nothing to me. I can't go to sleep on my own. You're the peace that I need after long days. I've been answering calls, waiting, hoping they were all yours. Talk love for me till my eyes close. Talk dirty till I gotta close the door. Spending all these hours on the phone, even though I wake up early in the morning. You all that you know it, but I got a question. What you be doing when you send me to?
Please leave your message after the tone.